What's up, percussion friends? This is going to be a tutorial on rising rhythms. So when you drop in on this 10.7 page, you're going to see that there is sheet music here. Make sure you click on your percussion sheet music. It'll take you over here, resize it so you can see everything. We need to count this, baby. We need to count this from beginning to end and make sure that we know what we're doing. Will you please use our new counting system with numbers that we learned this week? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. Good job, y'all. If you did that perfectly, you may move on the video. If you did not do that perfectly, pause, redo it, and until you get it perfect at least 3 times. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about, we have 2 kinds of attacks in this song. We have an accented note and we have an unaccented note. Check out what's going on here. The accent is the little greater than, less than sign here. That is going to be an emphasized note, if you remember from previous song. Emphasized means louder. So we're going to treat the song as being unaccented notes at like 3 inches off the drum. So maybe like the width of your hands. So unemphasized, everything that is not accented is going to be kind of low. And then when you go to play an accented note, can you raise it up to about double that height? So when you play the first bit, it's going to go accent, low, 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 accent. This is really important in the video. I have to see these level changes in your sticks. If I can't see them, I'm going to resend it to you. Take a moment and go through the stickings. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so all of this is just going to be alternating patterns. There's no funky stickings where you have to double anything up. You're only going to be starting off the right hand and then starting off the left hand. So this really is an accent pattern exercise to make sure we're getting strong, emphasized quarter notes in the left or the right. Okay, so take a moment and play some unemphasized notes on your own. Make sure you can do that at a low height. And then I want you to try some accented notes. This ought to feel pretty easy because you guys have been using your fingers for your double stroke rolls. You're used to all this so far. Once you've got through that, now it's time to play it. Here's the first bit. 1, 2, ready, go. Accent, low, low, low. Accent. Oops, I did accent, accent. Okay, so that's the first thing. Make sure measure 2, it's accent and then low. Accent, low. Okay, let's start over so Butler can get it right. Here we go. 6, 7, beginning. Right, left, accent, low. Accent, right, left, accent, low. Right, left, accent, low. Accent, low, 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 accent. You'll have to practice that to make sure you're in control. The big deal is making sure your sticks, when they're in the tacit position, which is where they're not doing anything, that they remain kind of at a normalized height. Don't be floating around and being like, here comes the next one. You know, like we need to keep them at the same spot. Okay, this is both because of a visual standpoint from an audience member, but also in a marching band situation, which you'll eventually want to be in, these sticks have to be at normalized heights when you're not playing so that you look the same as everyone else on your drum line. Okay, if you have questions, reach out. I'm fairly confident that with a little bit of practice, you will be excellent at this. Please reach out over Canvas message or come to an office hour or a live session and get some extra help from me if any of this doesn't make sense. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.